빙에서 공격했어.
Yep. 빠지면서
어?
완도.
Okay, this
Sigur
spot is the hideout
Tsukasora,
of my
yeah.
boss. Not surprised you're a club cat, Leo. Play me techno and I'm in heaven. Whatever happened to real
정말
artists?
이거 꼬쇼.
Instruments. You know, real music. Things evolve, Granny.
Unami? 3일 동안 웃나.
미실사. Doon na kayo ko. Buka, may office siya.
No, sa akin na.
So what?
We're not supposed to go into the club through the front door. We're cyber ninjas, remember? Yeah, right. Because we've been all about stealth up until now.
No, cost run niya.
뭐?
I don't know, combo? Adamın takım Inupasyon ako na naglugo. Ay? Kapisyo ko ha?
Sangat cek.
Yakin.
No, stop mo.
Hi. Kamu dah? Ising yung minarak, production.
Electrifying!
Noon nakarok, putak ka pa din. Iba't ako mag-actus siya. Kukwes, ikot siya ka.
Who is this crime boss lady exactly?
All you need to know is that we gotta take her out in order to liberate the city.
Yeah, I got that part, but what's she like?
She's a ruthless psychopath who kills for fun.
Sounds like a real gem.
Well. Look what the cat dragged in. Are you finally here to pay your debt?
You're not getting shit.
I decide when your shit is paid. And until the mortgage is secured, your ass belongs to me.
What is she talking about, Mio?
No, don't mind her. I just wrote her as a flat, greedy villain.
The dialogue sounds oddly specific, though.
Say hello to Mr. Hammer.
Hello, Mr. Hammer. Oh dear. Bring it on!
Take him out.
It's hammer time!
Hammer time! I hate
Let's
that.
hammer out the details.
Heads up!
Panoorin niya ang nagpak. Business yun na. Hammer time. Kada o nakakasyo ako. Sorry. Ano posisyon? Down na sa komisyon.
Worthless ninjas.
Oh!
Baza!
Nice hit, Zoe.
Diba yan? Ang biscuit? Kawit diye hatta soktum bu kapat. Matutano ko yung just kasya.
Earn my
Nakakatabi na ko yung chinak pa. Apa siya pada ko yung siswa? At that is it?
Sangat.
Kung hamarak siswa? Nama hamatay mo siswa. Bakit mga yan? Basta ko'y kanloso.
hello to my little friends.
Ikan na niya ito.
Oh, I don't want to hurt dogs. They're mechanical.
Sangat.
Wow!
This is not okay.
Sangat.
Hey, those breeds were expensive.
Nakisuko yung punglo.
Hammer time! Yeah.
Sangat. Yes.
Hammer time!
Light him up, Neo.
Ew. Da. Diskotekak sinang madak ko na rin ng girang.
Oh, shut up.
Hammer time! Ay, maruksong na nga.
Sangat.
Una kakak.
Sangat.
Hammer time!
Goodbye, Miss
Mana yung song daras? Okay, kinari tatabak ka.
What a gentle, family-friendly
Sana
story you
suits.
created! Kick-ass, isn't it? No!
Sana? Hi.
Left shutter! Hurry, Zoe!
Top now?
I'm trying! Take cover! Go! I am gonna need counseling after this.
You ain't seen nothing yet.
미안하다면 거저 재밌는.
Look! There's another portal or a side story thing up ahead. Ooh! I want to explore it! Yeah,
What?
it's probably for the best that we skip that side
Oh,
story. I
속았고?
suppose finding the glitch is more urgent.
Tekong gara.
보여지
아.
역도로.
아.
이각 비싸고.
Una profecia się 그치.
어이.
Una profecia się 그치. Dai, questo è molto sa.
Well, this was certainly unexpected.
Zoe, what am I? Wait, no. Am I?
Yes, calm down. We're just pigs.
Just pigs.
Just pigs? Actually, we're super pigs. I think I'm
hate
gonna have a
this.
panic attack. Nah, you'll warm up to your super pig powers in no time. What? I fart fly? Magical rainbow farts are truly the best part.
아. 뭔가 양반님도. Sinilak sir tsaka songyak sa shoots. Kung may matapakain na kayo.
Apples.
Right! The door wants apples. Let's find them.
Ay. What? Tingnan na nga 지금 신난 ting. Tingnan ko rin din.
Oo nga.
Got an apple? Praise be the holy.
나와aping nga. Kulan.
Cool.
Takoyo.
What are we doing? We need the apples, Mio. Ooh, found an apple.
Tawang ko? Magano nga.
Oh. Aoy.
Snack is served.
Delicious apples. Thank you.
Isi so.
This side story is wild, Zoe. Oh, relax, city girl. Have fun. Get muddy.
I'm hungry.
약했어 뭐.
Oh.
isi saso.
Gotta love a pig spa.
남는 수 있나?
Gross.
Mga 다시 시작 둔다 곰모. 다시 맞듯이.
오.
저거
아, 생겼대. 아, 똑같네.
아. 시작비 건가? 뭐가 뭐가 봤노? 한번 잡비 건.
Another apple.
아마이 피지. 나이스 수물.
오면 너무 막았다.
임마갈 수 있어, 동안이. 뭐.
아빈.
너,
아. 이.
Apple here.
모르겠어.
Chew on these mighty fine apples.
I do love me some apples.
This might actually be the first idea for a story I ever wrote down as a kid.
So you're a country gal?
Yep, from head to toe.
ไอ้สิคุณ
I
นะ
mean,
อัปปัจ
from
จิ
snout to hoof.
โอ้คุณ
จะมีการสักปะ
약시성한 맛은 약사가 썩기야.
ที่
슈샤.
ก็
Fade maid.
슈쇼?
มักกะปูรุกิริยก
Hold
อ๋อ
on.
เนาะ
어떤 거 같다?
아라 생각때 똑같은 낙스였어.
Rainbow power.
쇼단 이렇게. 다 원함이 거. 나.
남는 있어.
왜 약삭 각다가 약간 먹고 모르고 있네 이거.
너 뭐가 끼었냐? 있었던 거.
너 구조 나오스.
Really?
너 뭐가 너 가기 아 시야인가?
어, 남목. 아니네.
다음에 뉴네스.
Apples.
Apple here.
아프.
아.
잠깐만 삭고 다군 건지.
Fancy some apples, good sir?
I do. How did you know I love apples?
비가 샤 받아갔지.
My house is indestructible!
Looks stable, I guess.
Or is it now?
You can't come in!
이석 신랑이랬지. 오케이 알아. 이시가야.
그래서 mga kawan na sunok.
와우. 뭐야 구구서 나오.
Okay, ni cockpit.
Can't believe I'm saying this, but
Their side story came out glorious.
có rồi.
So,
야 아시다 아시. 뭐저 손이 갑신다.
네.
Ooh, broccoli.
이싱인가?
rules. Nothing's
problem.
better than homegrown vegetables. I think I could get used to being a pig, actually.
점
Enjoy it while it lasts.
점
No.
점.
Yeah, go slide. Yep, here we go.
What happened?
What the hell, Zoe? What? Oh God! I know. Let's just end this. Yeah, why don't I just grill myself, hmm?
너무 너무 싫나? 아.
Wait,
Mam 약간 뭐뭐뭐 shit.
Oh.
Hot. Oh, kind of nice, but ouch.
Ooh.
And beautifully cooked. Ooh.
맛있구만.
I do think I need condiments.
I'm grilled to perfection.
우리야 없는 기억방래 기한.
Så ytterligare magketchup. Oh.
Oh, totally forgot about the mustard. Silly me.
저샤 슈리. 마이 라카카스. 아이 리시 떡동. 와!
God.
아 방미?
Now I would give myself.
쇼.
Mwah.
Ketchup.
Boom.
Oh.
I look delicious.
아 béo cũng ngon. 쇼.
Hey, wait.
No. 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 Are you for real, Zoe? Like I said, I wrote it when I was a kid. What sort of devil child were you? I guess there's no easy way to tell a kid how sausages are made. That shit was traumatic. But then imagine how a 7-year-old Zoe took it. Let's move on. I don't want to talk about it anymore. I agree.
Đi pha trộn á.
Apart from being a bit disturbing, it sure looks like that idea got removed from the simulation. So in order to save a side story, we just need to go through them. Yeah, I think so.
Ja.
Upp.
Nó là con độc máu rồi.
You look so old, I thought you would have retired 10 years ago. You bet. Dr. Frank returned the badge and surrendered retirement in the countryside.
Mutta.
I'm gonna miss you.
Nó bicha. Con lật. Nó mới ngon đập bên. What the boss ako machine daw. Ngon na. Purano. Ngon na siya.
Noutaa kun nassuu maa. Sangat. Takkiu saa.
Pompas.
Oh.
Yo,
You
bas.
failed the chair.
In the name of the SRI, die!
Oh, koksin naangukkin. Lening naksui na. Una saan nittu misilorjassan joo. Tää oppi. Yes. Oh, as.
Binoy kinu. Nhà trò chơi xin nữa. Ja.
Ungapi. Yes.
Chào với mình hỏi.
Ammaina mirumis. Sangat sinak.
Yes. Sudah nyaksaw. Sudah nakakko.
Sangat tak.
Intro trick. Intro trick. Tụi non.
How's it going? Hang on. I'm figuring something out.
다시 뚫린 게 너무.
Yes. Aynen. O nước, om mà nước, o sừng chất.
I don't know.
Yok, bin.
So, sigo mo pan shoot. Sure.
Being a cyber ninja does have its perks, doesn't it?
Oh yeah,
Yes.
I totally feel blessed.
Be free.
Check out that tower. That's where we're heading.
Is that a parking garage?
O aynen.
We need to reach the top floor.
À, cảm ơn.
Enforcers incoming!
Mình bị sure.
Yes.
Bị rồi ta.
Like the Black Mamba.
Okay, let's grab some wheels.
Tell me, what are you poor souls even trying to achieve here?
Major spoilers, douchebag. We're killing you at the end.
Oh, that's cute. And then what? We always find a way to get our repayment.
Repayment? What is the inspiration behind the story, Mia? Now, Zoe.
It's time to settle the score.
Whoa, okay. That's a lot bigger than I remember writing it.
You have unpaid parking tickets. Time to die.
Excuse me?
Kibaki.
O.
Corpses will be subject to towing.
So now
Because
we owe this boss lady
I-
parking tickets as well? Yeah, she squeezes everyone on everything.
Yes.
Issue another ticket. How regretful.
Why did you include this into your story, Mio? I don't know. Are you happy
Ah!
you got hit with a ticket?
Yeah.
But this is a bit extreme.
My garage, my
Not kid.
You seem to be carrying a lot of frustration with the world.
without parking.
Çok cool.
Yeah. Of course. What?
O. Duyursak.
Wow, kailangan. Diboom. Naman ba? So. Naman. Pan.
Jeez, all this
Oh.
for some parking tickets. Yep, an eye for an eye. Wouldn't it just be easier to pay them and move on?
Never.
Wow.
Tonight we
Let me
liberate
show
the city
one.
from parking attendants.
Your meter has officially
O.
expired.
How do we fight back?
Amma çok cool.
Oh dear, accidents happen so easily.
Come on, wow.
I will have order.
What the Apa toko tip?
Lens
Alay.
laser.
O. No. O.
Okay, laser tama yung nakuha. Ayon tunong eh. Ay.
Tow some cars.
Aza.
Okay, so kung sino yun nakuha.
Let me do an ocular inspection.
Täytyy sieltä saada.
So, angka. Hey!
Mio, there's a gravity pad on its far side.
Stop resisting. Start killing, please.
Sama cek.
No, it's the bonus, sweet.
Zoe,
Pinatiło to wszystko. Tak.
Feel like automobile.
Au.
Sungguh cepat.
Kakum.
Vengeance is awesome!
I'm throwing you under the bus.
Okay.
Wheels in the sky.
Mano. Hey! Misto.
No pyramid, no parking.
May Mario na. Kaya ba kayo mga nakputi?
I have
Lesa
had
karana.
enough of you.
Yay!
You're deflated.
Lesa kayo takakanak.
I'm throwing you under the bus. If you don't like wheelies, please remove yourself from my parking lot.
Pinasingon. Napintay yun ang ginagawa.
Let me do an ocular inspection.
Sangat cepat.
Ayun.
No.
No parking.
Kimus not to sangat.
Spear, you'll pay your
Amba.
parking ticket.
Dano. Yak.
Yes.
Yawo na
I'm
mission.
not a parking zone. Feel like
Sangat
automobile.
sangat.
Indot yun ang mission.
Oh. Sangat amat takut.
Ay.
Nak.
Okay, sige
Ay,
siya
no.
Years. Violations will be met with fines.
Sangat cepat.
I'm throwing you under the bus.
Ishita ko na. Hey!
Vehicle violence.
Ishita ko na.
Oh yes. She a murderer.
Parking is in your face.
Wah ngay đúng không?
I got it!
Susukan na.
Amma. Ay no.
Number mo ka sa order din.
Here!
Wang ano tuwas
It
ka.
is time you took me seriously.
Ay!
Wheels in the sky. I side with my little eye.
On it! No order! Only chaos!
Parking panic.
Inugaksak na rin pa sinugtag isa.
Don't drop your guard!
So.
Wow! Ano sa'yo?
Right off!
All vehicles will be moved out. I'm gonna get you.
Ác.
Ôi sao mà tức.
Bỏ cái rụt. Tiên tiên.
This is my permit!
Payment declined.
You know, for cyber ninjas, on a stealth mission, we sure cause a lot of explosions. And it's gonna get worse. Why am I not surprised?
Next up, those guys.
How lovely.
Don't worry, I got a getaway car.
Are there even any cars left?
You take the wheel. I'll ride shotgun.
Flying is not going to lower my stress levels.
Just drive.
Keep her steady! Okay.
나와 뭔가 이상한
Automatic, Zoe, just
빠.
floor it.
Ôi. 아이고 저 진짜.
오케이. 전략 넣어라.
Jack, come ahead, Mio!
They're mine. I'll clear them.
나비.
All mine! All mine! What do I do? Just stay on the road!
Ako tatati sa buwan. Amo kung mo sa paksangan.
Oo.
Hang on!
Na?
Oh, this is gonna be tight! I did not sign up for this! The gates are closing! Step on it!
야! Ako na, balik ka ro. Ako no sa ano.
Ah, don't scratch my head! Mine! Sweep him!
Chatting.
Oh, I can't
Ôi
do this!
sao mà.
I'm gonna close my eyes! Don't! Believe in yourself!
Tama ko kritikan.
저 뭐지 이렇게.
Push.
Now jump! Stay in the
Okay.
lane! Which one? Pick any!
Push.
Wait! You had that rocket launcher the
There
whole
goes.
time!
No one.
Impressive, right? Well then be a gem and maybe use
Nope.
it! Train ahead! Train ahead!
Straight ahead. Ah!
Ôi sao mà tức.
Cố gắng. Straight ahead. Straight ahead.
You had that rocket launcher the whole time!
But
Impressive,
Sachin didn't
right?
do
Well
no
then be a
something.
gem and maybe use it! Train ahead! Train ahead!
Okay. Basta nakabuka ang base ng pa. And popcorn na. Lagpos sa kaso. Ay, bisita.
See, you're getting the hang of this! Don't talk to me right now!
Ôi.
Yung nilangon takutan sa
Ôi sao mà tôi mà.
show.
Aktak tatagong ito.
Mga predator sa
See, you're getting the hang of this! Don't talk
pati
to
sa
me right now!
tinigisim. Apal.
Mine!
Tapi balik na pa. Ako napisira.
I don't exactly remember how this getaway ends. You're telling me that now? Yeah, sorry. I think you need to jump, Zoe. Oh my god, no!
Suy năm nào cũng ca ngầm á.
Sorry, Alex. Oh my god, oh my god.
we're good.
This is such a cliche! Have you ever wondered where all of this violence stems from?
Whenever you have time, feel free to help me out.
But surely all this action and killing must come from something.
You know what, Zoe? Let's stay here and find the root for it all, shall we? I feel like I'm ready to do some serious soul searching right here, right now.
Just do the countdown already.
On 3. 1, 2, 3!
Karukatanuan.
I'm driving. Flying a car for the first time, I'd say I did decently.
Ay,
Water bomb!
Så kumitas takar.
sila. Namasya nga sa pisakan. Nakaka-fish siya.
A water slide? Oh man, I love water slides.
Sokakpiyan yan. Sumiyo na kurani.
Kasi ko kung bayuan ng likod.
Kangin naks mo, tama.
Ay, kiwisasya mo, riyan at
Damn. How about this, huh?
It's so dark. When does the sun come up?
Never. This is it.
Couldn't you make something, you know, nice?
This is nice to me.
okay. Ikaw ako yun.
Enough rest. Let's get our sweet revenge.
Oh, no other way around it, I
Namit it up.
suppose.
Pinga.
Pilit.
Taxi.
Tawa mingo.
I think I spot the hotel that we need to go to.
Yun.
Yes.
Na.
Not staying for breakfast.
Wala.
Nope.
So,
Is this even sanitary?
Unexpected.
mga bisong na ako. Na.
Demi.
Wah, so. Nope.
Screw it, I'm going in.
Mila si Swang mo. Isok ko mo.
Bye.
Oh god, it's everywhere! What have these people been eating?
Yun na. Atan. No.
이씨 밀어버리시오. 똑같네 맞다고 했어.
Sing uyak tung is.
비리치역.
So, kasi.
아우.
Så kumitas sangis.
이제 쇼아.
We have the...
We have
Sorry, not sorry.
Urabbi. Putiri mi bakshi pasudata.
Madam, you are heavier than you think. Please, get down.
Tengah. Muka sumi no.
You were more useful as a hat.
Oh yeah.
Okay. Okay, di ba kan? Siruta ko yung.
Oh, taganali. So, nakakinarok dun.
존노의 밑. 존노의 자식. 존노 차요 자식. 아씨.
Regarding the glitch and our glitch hunt, what about it? Do you think we'll need to go through the entire story to find it?
오.
Who knows? But I'm prepared to do whatever it takes to break free. I suppose we don't have much of a choice.
쇼? 아. 이요. 노. Pero dapat ako so kano si Basanax. Ikakokos. Hompas.
Strange color on a burger.
Ikakoksu. Batum takoksu. Taba wanga. Kuna mayo show nga.
Cyber ninjas are real? Shut up! More cover.
Isingin sa isa ka no, si Masano.
Tama una usap ko sa mas na.
Mo kusya ka ito matubon.
Uwangal.
Going up. Sideways. Or upside down. Up. Well, that weirdly makes sense.
So,
Wang isingin sa kakapim.
kusa nga sa pasuri. Islit.
Isingin sa dude sa singin na payanin na.
Oh, sangat.
Siyo sa
Oh.
No, bakla po. Wang kusya nga sa.
No.
Nice. We made it.
Di ako na nakuto.
Okay, we're entering the last beat of this story now.
With an epic finale.
Yep. We're stealing this bad boy so we can reach the crime boss and kill her.
Of course. So, Mio, are you into fast cars and motorbikes in real life? Or are you a mechanic, perhaps? That's when you're not trying to be a writer, of course.
I'm not a mechanic. Dad is.
Okay. Now we're getting somewhere.
Hop on!
Wait, don't we need helmets?
Wow!
You're squeezing too hard, Zoe! You gotta let me breathe!
Sorry! Just don't crash!
Get rid of incoming company!
Ako duty.
Motion sickness is kicking in.
Ui, xin ra đây em đấy. Người đây.
Let's hit it hard! Here we go again! What a rush! Deal with them, Zoe!
Ui, bạc tươi đừng.
What a rush! Deal with them, Zoe! To the limit!
What the fuck was that? Still don't know. Rồi.
What a rush!
Yêu.
Deal with them, Zoe!
Yêu.
Now that's speed!
So. What the shit?
I think I got this! Of course you do! I've lost the
저
Get lost, suckers!
Yo, 이까 거우시오.
There's the tower! That's where we're heading, Zoe!
Pusta, puta.
I can't be picky right now!
뭐라
Let's tear this up!
We're not gonna make it!
아, 이거다?
아이고 우와
Talking about! Eyes forward! Forward!
한 발. Gia đình một sự năng đặc kami. Mga tukasabi pinga ambay.
장어 딱
Ayun nila, ambay,
가려고
ambay. Ambay natin.
What's going on? It's a self-destruct protocol! Major, Mamma Mio! Major! Well, we did seal it, didn't we? Can we stop it? Here! Hurry before it explodes! Explode! Just fix it!
Self-destructed. 60 seconds.
그걸 수.
What? Boxes?
아,
Self-destructed. 50 seconds.
Oh, man! And now fire trucks!
빠이죠.
Self-destructed. 40
I do
seconds.
love giraffes!
아?
Self-destructed. 30 seconds.
Terms and conditions!
아.
Self-destructed. 20 seconds.
봐주신다.
Self-destructed. 10 seconds.
Boy!
9,
What?
8,
Nothing!
7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Executing self-destruct.
Wait! Self-destruct! Come on, Zoe! Jump! What now? Improvise! No mercy! Sorry!
Good down.
All right, I can do this! I can do this! We need to reach the top, Zoe! Got it!
Sangat.
Ako dito naman ba? Jago ako. Pikunuan ng loso.
Zoe, look it!
Sangat.
Got to hit those weapon charges! Oh, I think I missed the weapon charge hole!
Ama po.
Yeah, back off!
Absolution.
Tuh.
Got it!
Sangat. Sangat.
Nghe tao kayo trip.
Let's settle this debt once and for all!
When you control the money like we do, you control it all! Now, witness the unstoppable might of the SRI!
Get ready. She drives a tank.
A what now?
A tank.
Tapos?
Check out my most luxurious toy!
You had to own a tank!
Well, I didn't expect to fight her myself
Ay,
when I
kuha
wrote this.
iba siya.
Oh, I got a hit on her!
I'll make you homeless!
Minupit yung sakto.
Damn interest! Cough up my chair!
Sok sunod.
Hey!
It's coming!
Wow, got it.
Let me liquidate your life!
Keep going, Zoe! The tank is down!
Ay! Asitak ko.
Now we're talking!
Walang suki dyan. Wow.
Oh, you'll pay for this! Let me show you the real meaning of power!
Oh, tama pa yung maximum. Tama siya na. Samsung mo yung Mr.
Wow.
Braymas.
Let me put you out of your misery!
Kamu kakita? Hop. Ay, Wenang. Sok-sok to ka kami ah.
This has to be accepted!
Good! Don't stop!
This city's in my pocket! You're making this very explosive for me!
Yo pa kami! Ang may basaw!
Bisa ngedek.
Siap paham. Deg.
I'm good at this!
Time to end you once and for all.
Drop her sorry ass again!
Oh dear!
Phase 2.
Respect the SRI.
Bisa ngedek.
Siap usia ini guys.
But I own this city.
Das macht die Tor.
Wah,
Phase 2. Hier
Amadas Akbar.
gepoppt. Super Update.
She's down! Get her! You got it!
Alright!
Suruh.
Please tell me that this story is over now.
Yeah, it is.
There, the glitch.
Let's get it.
Can I ask you something? What's with all the debts and payments in this story?
What do you mean?
I'm just curious as to what the story's about.
I told you it's a revenge story.
That part I got, trust me. But what's it really about?
Nothing.
Oh, come on. You always put a bit of yourself into what you create.
I don't think that's true.
Wait, so you're telling me everything we just went through wasn't inspired by anything?
Nope.
Nothing.
Nothing.
Nothing at all.
Nothing at all.
I don't believe you.
I don't care.
Well, I kind of do.
Why? You don't know me.
Maybe not. But seeing as we're trapped here together, it could be useful to know what to expect going forward.
Can't we just get the glitch?
Well, you're not off the hook just yet.
Whatever. Yep. Those glitches are definitely doing something.
It seems to be expanding.
What is this? It's spreading. What is going on?
It's those glitches, sir. They seem to be finding more of them.
If they were to spread into the mainframe, it could jeopardize the entire machine.
Okay, that's it then. Let's just cut our losses and shut their extraction down, get them out.
Yes, sir.
Right away. It's not working.
What do you mean it's not working? Just get them out.
Sir, those glitches are blocking that command.
Then what are our options? Can we reboot the system?
We've never done a reboot while extracting.
Especially with people inside, it's way too risky, sir.
We could possibly lose every extraction.
God damn it! Is it possible to communicate with them?
Yes. Yes, we could broadcast their signal up to us, sir.
Set it up, and bring me all the information you have on these two.
He seems really stressed about our glitch hunt.
Good. Let him sweat.
So, what story do you think we'll go through now?
Last one was mine, so probably one of yours.
Oh, yes! I have so many good ones.
How can you be so excited by all this?
What? We might as well enjoy it while we're here.
Okay, there's nothing to worry about. Everything is under control.
Are you absolutely sure?
We heard you may be experiencing some issues with the machine.
No, everything is fine.
Do we need to remind you that we go public in 6 weeks, Raider?
We'll be under intense scrutiny. Not just from investors, but from everyone.
I'm well aware of that.
How did 2 people even get into one pod in the first place?
Just have some faith in me.
Keep us updated.
What the hell? Oh my god! Is this fur? Zoe? What have you done to me?
Relax. I can explain everything.
Where are you?
Do you see the golden light? Yes! Over here! Yup! I'm a fairy! It's cute, huh?
Why did you turn me into a monkey?
You know, you can turn back into your human form. Like this.
How did you do that?
Just think of your human form and you'll transform. We're shapeshifters. Amazing, isn't it?
This is a nightmare.
Give it some time and you will come around.
Just tell me how we find the next glitch.
Let's find a way to meet up and I'll tell you what the story's about.
Show, 보여.